Hi Sri Lanka, my name is David Luchow and welcome to Catapult Studios here in Germany, my second home. So, do you want to know the secrets of mixing? Hey, well, here are 3 things that I will definitely share with you at the workshops. Point number 1 is think analog but mix digital. Point number 2, which plugins do you actually use? There are millions of plugins, but hey, you really need to know which ones to use to get the right sound. And the third point is master bus processing. How do you really understand this? How do you shape your sound? How do you make your color, make your own thing? You know, that mix has to has to have a signature sound. It's like your sound. Like people need to know, hey, I want the sound that so and so has. You know, put your name in the blank. That's you. All right, that's a sound that people need to know. Hey, I need that sound. So that's you. And let me actually help you get there. So make sure that you are at my workshop and I will help you really get some amazing sounds. Right? So the dates are for the workshops, the 24th of February and the 25th of February. We will have it at Ebenezer Studios in Sri Lanka, in Bambalapitiya, obviously. It is in Sri Lanka. And we are definitely looking forward to have an awesome time. I am super excited. As you can see, I'm messing up everything here. But hey, I am so looking forward to see you guys, and it's going to be an awesome time. I would love to really empower you guys, give all the knowledge I have to really get you up there and living your dreams, unleash your creativity. That's the most important thing. So be there, and I'm so looking forward to see all you guys. See you soon, guys.